Oh, he's picking up speed. Way! Yep. How fast is it moving? Is it very fast?
Not that much.
It's not dangerous?
No, not that much. It's very safe.
Will you close the door?
Enjoy, sir. Have a great day.
Hey! It's moving about 5 kilometers an hour and there are no seatbelts. And it's stopped. And we're off. Oh, he's picking up speed. Way! Yep. It's picking up speed now. It's got air conditioning in it as well. It's quite cool. So I'm hoping that we get a good view of the glaciers when we get up here. It's swaying a bit now because of the wind. Hey, but it moves fast and it is quite high. And this is the peak where a lot of these paragliders take off. And this is Sarangkot Peak. Some great views. Such a shame that it's got cloudy because we could see the glaciers this morning.
Namaste.
Namaste. So this is going up to the viewpoint, not up these steps I don't think. So I'm assuming it's up here. As you can see, it's t-shirt weather today. Been cold for the last couple of days. And this is my last day in Pokhara. Tomorrow, we're off to a new destination. As you can see on the floor back down there, they have a small box for donations. This looks like the highest point. Get ready for Pokhara. End of the lake down that side. Let's go up here. Let's go green. Small entrance fee, 60 rupees, and a quick strip search just to make sure that you've not got any cigarettes, alcohol or drones. But this is what everyone comes for. This is the religious shrine with a couple of gods in there. And that's Pokhara. From there, right around there, it's big. That's the NTV tower. Another little shrine. I'll go this way. I'm assuming this must be one of the highest points around. So even the paragliders aren't this high. The views are great. So that's how high we are. Smells as bad as it looks. I daren't go in there. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I've just come in the Greenview restaurant for a cup of ginger tea, and the guy did ask me if I want breakfast. Is there anywhere to sit down? Ginger tea's arrived. I might even go for the egg fried rice. So I'm going to head back down. Doesn't sound too healthy. So back to the cable car station. Back down to Pokhara for my fried rice. Don't forget to click on like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next little travel adventure, wherever that may be. Thanks for watching.